I remember the last lockdown, which was too bored. Similarly, this lockdown too. So we make something interesting and spend our time in the right way. In this world, we can't live without your mobile phone, and I can't imagine my life without phone because I am using lot of social medias like WhatsApp, Facebook, Insta, etc. And my mobile phone consists of lot of applications. Do you know how these kind of applications are built? And do you have any idea to create your own application? If yes, no worries, I will share my knowledge. In this video, we see about the top 10 mobile development concept. What is mobile development tool? In just 2 lines, we see these are software designed to assist in the creation of mobile application, and this can be accomplished in multiple ways. For example, native and cross-platform mobile development tool. Everybody having a question, what is native and cross-platform? Let's see. Native mobile development tools that help you to create some specialized app that operate with ease and high quality and can take advantage of all features on their designated platform. Whereas the cross-platform mobile development tool make it possible to create a generic app for multiple platforms simultaneously, greatly cutting the cost and time needed to create an app. But this comes with a trade-off. Non-platform specific applications made in a cross-platform environment tend to have more issues and low quality compared to the native application. Now we see about the hybrid, which works similar to the web app but like native apps which are downloaded to the device. Similar to the web apps, these apps are typically written in HTML5, CSS and JavaScript. Now we see some mobile development, that is iOS, Android and Windows Phone. The iOS uses Objective-C or Shift programming language, and Android uses Java programming language, and the Windows Phone uses C# programming language. Now we see elaborately about the native mobile development tool. Let's start with Xcode. It introduces a new way to design and build software. Shift is an innovative new programming language for the Cocoa and Cocoa Touch, and when combined with the Xcode tool, make the programming a delightfully live experience. It includes everything developers need to create application for Mac, iPhone, iPad, Apple TV and Apple Watch. It provides developers a unified workflow for the user interface design, coding, testing and debugging. We see about the Android Studio. It is a development software built by the Google, and its implementation editor is very useful for the Android developers. Android Studio provides shortcut for coding and designing, and its layout designer make it very easy to use, which reduces the time spent on coding and also provides drag and drop feature to design the layout for your project. See about the app code. It is an IDE for iOS or Mac OS development. In addition to working with Objective-C, Shift and C++ programming language, it supports web technologies such as JavaScript, HTML, XML, CSS and more. It provides a variety of valuable integration, including among other CocoaPod Manager and built-in reveal support. In addition to the benefits, it provides the developers such as saving their time on automatic routine tasks, locating and fixing error, taking advantage of intelligent support from the IDE, and increasing their overall productivity. It can be an equally valuable asset for your business. We see about the combination of cross-platform and the hybrid, that is Accelerator. It is a mobile development tool which speeds up the time to market with the cross-platform development and testing and simplified access to the data via optimized API. Real-time mobile analytics are available on the platform, helping to power user engagement and measure results. It uses a single JavaScript code base for rich native mobile app and cloud-connected mobile apps. Next, we see about the Xamarin. It is a mobile application development platform that helps designers and developers build native iOS, Android and Windows application using a single shard netcode base and integrated development environment, that is IDE. The Xamarin utilizes a Visual Studio tools to build the native mobile application. The platform offers a host of features including code editing, refactoring, debugging, testing and cloud publishing. Additionally, it provides access to on-demand content from Xamarin's university curriculum and monthly Azure credit. Next, we see about the Adobe PhoneGap. It allows you to work with one code base but with a different set of technologies. PhoneGap is an open source cross-platform tool that builds apps with the HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Web API. Note a point that Adobe PhoneGap is based on the Cordova technology. In fact, if you are developing a hybrid mobile app, you can either create it using a proper Cordova or choose Adobe's ecosystem for using PhoneGap distribution of Cordova. Next, we see about the Ionic. It is very easy to use and easy to learn framework which allows for quick prototyping with a decent CLI. Integration with Angular makes for a pleasurable environment to code in. Built on the standard web technology, it helps the teams build and ship beautiful cross-platform, hybrid and progressive web app with ease. The Ionic framework is a free open source mobile UI toolkit for developing high quality cross-platform app for native iOS, Android and the web, all from a single code base. Next, we see about the React Native, which is developed by the Facebook community, and it is a cross-platform framework based on the JavaScript technology. It enables the developers to build enhanced and native-like apps using a single code base. The aim of this framework is to build first-rate native application experiences using the JavaScript and React. This unique JavaScript technology makes possible to develop a cross-platform mobile application that looks and feels like a native one, but it is coded by a single team of engineers simply using the React and JavaScript. Ninth, we see about the Mobiloud. It is a WordPress plugin that enables the business of all sizes to create a native mobile application for iOS and Android devices. It integrates with the WordPress website to convert them into native mobile app and allow users to publish the app on the Apple App Store and the Google Play. Features of the Mobiloud platform includes performance monitoring, push notification, external link embedding, login and subscription, mobile advertising, offline access and analytics. Mobiloud facilitates white label branding that helps the users to customize the logo, style, color, font and content within their app. Last but not least, we see about the Ninox. It is a cloud-based platform for building custom database application with a solution for Mac, iPhone, iPad and web browser. The application allows the users to create custom app using the built-in templates, custom actions, scripting, and drag and drop formulas to connect the multiple databases. Custom forms, fields, and triggers can be created and calculations can be built using the Visual Formula Editor. It can be used to create a wide variety of application type covering event management, invoicing, customer relationship management, that is CRM, task management, meeting management, and more. Additionally, the teammates can be invited to collaborate and users can control the permissions granted to each collaborator. Devices can be synced in real time, allowing the users to access and work on their apps from their multiple devices. Hi friends, I think this video is very useful for you. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.